It's in the, so the 40 apartments, they range from 600 to 800 square feet. They start at $950 a month and up. The building is KOZ eligible through the end of 2024. So that does mean, that the tenants will enjoy some of those savings as well.
Tenants for build to suit, they'll be completely renovated, and PNC Bank still occupies the first and second floor.
And it is due in large part not just to any single project, but to the combination of private and public investments. Investments by the city, investments by private developers, investments by entities such as the Chamber and others, working together, the colleges, in a concerted way to create a place where investment begets new investment. We're thrilled. We're looking forward to seeing this completed, and thank you guys. Thank you for your confidence in downtown in the city.